So unless you're living under a rock, when it comes to real estate, you will probably have heard all the rumblings about the market and the interest rates and the doom and gloom and oh my gosh, it's wait for the market to drop. You're gonna get a deal. Well, yes, there are definitely some deals out there here and there. In this particular market in Orange County, the market is holding very strong. If not, it's actually holding its value and increasing over time. So we had our Compass full team, all hands on deck meeting at the beginning of 2023 to go ahead and look back at the stats from 2022 in comparison to 2021. So as a whole, there was about a 30% decrease in closed transactions last year. So yes, definitely less people buying. And I would say we really saw that friction at the end of the year, those last 6 months when interest rates were raised. However, the market value and the value of the homes increased on an average of 15 to 20% throughout Orange County. So I wanted to highlight some specific areas that I particularly service in Orange County and thought we could go through those numbers real fast. So taking a look at my trusty notes here, which you guys can see behind me as well, it's the same thing that you're looking at that I'm looking at. In Newport Beach specific, in that lower right-hand corner, you see the increase of 20.1%, which is basically saying that the home value, the homes, the average sold price increased year over year from 2021 to 2022, 20.1% in Newport Beach specific. The next one in Costa Mesa, from 2021 to 2022, we had a 15% increase in the sold price, which means the value has come up 15% from the previous year. And if we all remember 2021, that was like the wild, wild west of real estate, where people were way overpaying for the properties and kind of going bananas about everything and just paying what they could to get the property. And even comparison to that, the value still rose this last year. If you take a look at Corona Del Mar, CDM, there was an increase of 23% as far as the average sold price. So if you bought a house in 2021 and then you were to go ahead and sell it in 2022, you would see a definite increase in value. Newport Coast, we saw, now those homes there obviously are at a higher price point, but still you had a double-digit increase of value at 14.7%. And Orange County on a whole, in general, if you look at all the cities in Orange County, there was an 11.3% in home value from 2021 to 2022. So the reason I say this is, while yes, interest rates can be challenging, there are, you do find your maybe deals, I use that term loosely here and there, but now is the time, if you can, to get in as a buyer. You have a lot more negotiation power. Sellers are a little bit more open to concessions, and I just think it's a great opportunity because you're just going to continue to see that value. And look, I'm aware of the chatter that's out there, and I get it. I know that what I'm speaking of is more of a localized market comparison, and I know that the climate as far as the nation is concerned can definitely be a little bit different, but what I'm speaking to is what I work in, which is the Orange County real estate conditions. So anyways, if you guys have any questions about this particular market or even the nationwide market, I'd be happy to help. Leave your comments below, send me a message, and I'm happy to chat the good with the bad as well.